Okay, so just got off of Space Mountain. It throws me off, guys, but they are not using the actual normal exit for Space Mountain. You don't go through the gift shop. They take you outside the back side of the building along this long hallway filled with construction walls. Please pardon our appearance. We turn to Tomorrowland. And over in the area, I don't know if you guys can see it, in between these trees, this is where they're working on the new Tron Light Cycle ride. So, doing some changes here, but it throws me off entirely when I'm not taking the normal exit outside of Space Mountain. But you can see all the vegetation and trees on the other side of this that used to be here, now gone. They are working on the Light Cycle ride. There's a lot longer exit currently to get off of Space Mountain. It's gonna spit us out back toward the backside of Tomorrowland Speedway. You actually even get to cross the tracks.
Good morning, everybody. Just watch your step as you cross.
Sure.
Wherever you're at, it's the right side of the tracks. Yes. Good morning, guys. Watch your step.
So, I'm not sure how long it's going to be, but a different exit for Space Mountain here, at least for the time being.
Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.